Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag to show you what block we're going to do today. We're going to do these cute plus blocks. They're just a variation, kind of like a 9-patch, but a variation, but a fun little block. You can frame them or you can put them together side by side. However you want to do them, do a pillow, a table runner. They're just simple and fun. So thanks for watching my video. Remember, if you like it, to like and subscribe. In order to make our plus block, we're going to want two 2.5-inch squares of our plus fabric plus one 2.5 by 6.5 inch rectangle, and then we're going to need 4 2.5-inch squares of our background. Next, we're going to arrange this into a plus. So we're going to make our plus here, and we're going to put our background squares in the corners like this. Then we're going to flip this on so it's right sides together. Do that on this side. We're going to take these to the sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch here. When we get that sewn, we're going to press toward the background for this side, and then we're going to get the other background squares and we're going to sew that on the other side of our plus square. So we'll stitch along here 1/4 inch. So when we get those on, we'll once again press toward the background. All right. And then we're going to put right sides together onto our 6.5 inch rectangle, and we're going to sew along this edge. This time we want to press toward the plus. There's just less resistance if we go that way. And then if we choose to put our plus box right next to each other without any stashing or bordering of the blocks, we can alternate the way that they turn, and we can butt seams together. All right, so then we're just going to put these two right sides together and we're going to sew our 1/4 inch. And then you end up with this cute plus block. Then you're just going to rinse and repeat and make you a whole bunch of plus blocks. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.